Today we're carbonizing bananas. Stay tuned to find out what happens when we run bananas through our carbonizer. So I'm going to put the fresh banana slices over here in this corner. We'll load up the dehydrated or freeze-dried bananas here. We'll put a few banana chips in that corner and a few plantain chips in that corner. Now we know bananas and plantains aren't exactly the same. These bananas have about 20 grams of sugar per serving, and the plantains have 0. We want to see if that makes a difference in how they carbonize. We'll take the green banana, and we won't peel it, and we'll put it right there. And then we'll take this banana and we'll peel it halfway. And we'll put it right there in the middle. And we'll see if that peel still looks intact. So while I load this up, if you find this video appealing, like and subscribe. It's time for the reveal. We're going to see how these bananas were carbonized. Very interesting results. So if you remember, these are the fresh bananas here. Those were the freeze-dried bananas, the banana chips, and then the plantain chips. And then we had a whole green banana and then a partially peeled ripe banana. So let's check out each one in more detail. So I have a feeling all the chips are going to be pretty much the same. So here's a fresh banana. Oh, look, that's probably from the metal pan, but there's a little bit of purple and bronze. Okay, let's check out the dehydrated or freeze-dried. Yeah, this was the banana chip. And this is the plantain chip. So down here you can see there's a lot of sugar. This is just the sugar that likely leaked out of the fresh bananas and kind of pooled over here and then carbonized. So for the bananas, let's check out the whole banana. Oh, it's as light as a feather. Okay, so this is our green banana that was not peeled, and you can see that it just split the peel right here and then bubbled out, and that was likely the moisture that was inside just trying to escape rapidly as it heated up. You can see the little fibers on the end of the stem, little bubbles throughout. There's a little bit of bronze right there, a tiny little bit of silver, but it's really hard to see. But you can actually see the layers here between the peel and the banana. Look at the neat texture on the back side of this banana. It kind of looks like a gourd. So this is the ripe banana that we peeled partially. So let's see if we can pull this out without breaking it. So this is the half-peeled banana that was ripe, and you can see that the main part of the banana kind of expanded a little bit. That was likely due to the water that was inside of it, but the peel shrunk a little bit. So there's a hole right there. That's probably a place where the moisture just started escaping, and you can see some sugar there that just caramelized and burned. And then the peel kind of looks like those gourds that you see in the grocery store in the fall. It's interesting how those just bubbled out like that. So for this one, we're going to see if we can peel this back a little bit more and see if there are any colors in there from any of the minerals that did not off-gas. No, that's just going to break off. So we're going to have to try to just break it. Yeah, we're going to break it in half. I'm going to break it through the middle where the peel is. You can still see the structure of the banana. That's what's cool about these experiments is when we carbonize items and it off-gases everything else and leaves the carbon, it maintains its structure. So it broke open some more. You can actually see there's a little bit of color. It's got some white in it. Oh, it's completely all in the middle. That's neat. You can see all the way through it. So on the unpeeled banana, it's starting to peel a little bit of this outer layer off. That's fragile. And you can kind of see the fibrous structure of the peel right there. So that's what happens when you carbonize bananas. What makes you go bananas? Put your suggestions for what we should carbonize in the comments below and use the hashtag #CarbonizeThis. See you next time.